MobyMax's Messenger is a great way to securely communicate with your students or their parents or guardians. To use Messenger, select the Tools tab at the top of the home screen, then click on Messenger in the Communicate section. Here, you'll be able to see your inbox, sent messages, and deleted messages. To send a new message to a student within MobyMax, click on New Message, select the Student Moby Message option, and then select the student you would like to send the message to. After finishing your message, click Send Message. Your students will be able to see any Moby messages you send them in their student accounts by clicking on the Communication tab and selecting Messenger. They can respond directly within their accounts by clicking on a message and then clicking the Reply button. If you'd like to send a message as an email or text message, you can add student and parent or guardian contact information by clicking on Student Contacts, clicking on a student's name, and clicking the Add New Contact button. Here, you can select whether the contact is a student, mother, father, or guardian, and add their name and contact information. You can also leave a note as well. Once you're done adding the contact information, click Save. Once you have added email and phone number contact information, you can send an email or text message by clicking the New Message button and choosing the Email Message or Mobile Text Message option, and then clicking Continue. Choose the students, mothers, fathers, or guardians you would like to send the message to. Type the message and then click Send Message. Those who receive your messages will be able to reply back to you securely using email or text, and all replies will be delivered to your inbox within MobyMax so you can keep all of your communication organized and in one place.